Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Yamaha with your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that we need to turn on the speaker and enter pairing mode. So we have two options how to enter pairing mode. If your speaker do not connect it with another devices, you just press and hold power button to turn on the speaker, and this speaker enter to pairing mode automatically. You know it by the LED light near to the solar was blinking blue. If you want to enter pairing mode manually, you need to press and hold this button longer than to just turn on it until you will see that the LED light start blinking blue. And you will enter pairing mode manually. So after that we see this speaker at the device list and you need to click connect near to it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!